this video we're going to make a quadratic equation solver. So we're going to input the coefficients for a, b, and c, and then it's going to either output the answer or it's going to output saying there are no real roots here. So the first thing we need to do is create a scanner, and we're going to input the coefficients for a, b, and c. And if you don't remember the quadratic formula, it's negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So first the scanner. So scanner input equals new scanner system.in. Then we'll have them enter the coefficients for a, b, and c. So enter the coefficients for, ignore the bad spelling, for a, comma, b, comma, and c in that order. And let's use the double data type, so double a equals input dot next double b equals input dot next double, and double c equals input dot next double, in that order. And let's tell them to separate by space. And separated by a space. No, by spaces. Okay. So we now have our a, b, and c. So let's do the quadratic equation. First thing we need to do is solve the part under the square root, because if that's a negative number, then we will not have real roots. So double, let's call it sqrt for square root, equals, then we'll go with b squared, and let's see, so b squared would be b times b minus, and then we'll have 4 times a times c, and that will give us what's under the square root. So if, let's see, and if that is less than 0, we need to tell the user there are no real roots, else. And so if this is not less than 0, so if it's greater than or equal to 0, we are going to actually do the calculation. So first we need to do this calculation, we need to find the square root of sqrt. So let's just call it sqr. It'll be a double data type, so sqr equals math.how, and then we will, a square root is anything to the 1/2 power, 0.5, and we need to take sqrt to that, and that with a semicolon. So that will give us the thing underneath the square root, except it'll, well, the square root of it. So let's calculate both our answers. Double large answer equals, we'll need negative b, so b times -1, and then that'll be plus the square, SQR, and that will all be divided by 2a. 2 times a. And then the small answer will be almost the same thing. We can copy and paste most of it. The only difference, instead of a plus sign, we will have a minus sign. Alright, and then we will want to output these answers. So, calculate square root of b squared minus 4ac. And notice we don't have this is just a comment telling the user what's going on, so we don't really need the multiplication signs. That person will understand that. Then we'll put a comment saying calculate large and small answers. Then output results. The answers are then we'll have the small answer. Let's go with the large answer first. Large answer and then we'll have the small answer. Okay, so this calculator here should work, and let's run a quick test. Enter the coefficients for a, b, and c in that order. So let's say we have x squared minus 2x squared, or 2x, so that would be minus 2. And then we'll have plus 4. There are no real roots. Let's try with a x squared 2, let's say 1, 2, and positive 4. So 1, 2, 4. There are no real roots of that either. Sorry, really probably should have thought of this ahead of time and had one ready to go. Okay, I paused the video for just a moment, and I now have one that should come out with positive numbers. The code wasn't edited at all. You can check that, it should be easy. You shouldn't have seen it jump. So if we have 1, 0, and negative 4, it should come back with a plus and minus 2. The answers are 2.0 and negative 2.0, which that's exactly what I got whenever I did it by hand, whenever I made the problem. So this seems to be working. You can try in with your own input. Comment and let me know if it's not working, but I'd be surprised if it wasn't. If you have any questions about the program, don't understand certain lines of it, also comment and let me know. Not sure what I'll be doing for the next video, but if you have any requests, comment below, let me know the request, and I'll try to get them done for you. Thanks for watching.